Here's the key fob for your Hyundai Tucson. First thing we'll do is press down there and get the physical key out. Now right there's a slot. Put the key in that slot just the way I'm showing and then give it a firm twist. This is the important part. Just give it a firm twist and then it's going to pry open. If it doesn't come off all the way, that little bit that did pry open a little bit, just put the key in there and again give it a firm twist. That's going to help you pry it open the rest of the way. And now let's get this side and set it aside. And this is the battery, just push it out. Get the physical key and then use that to push it out the rest of the way if it doesn't come off easily here. And there you go, the battery is out. Now this side of the key fob, do not turn it upside down because there's nothing else holding all the things in place and it'll all fall out. The battery size is CR2032. The positive side is marked with the plus sign, negative side is no markings. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon for yourself and then put it back in with the positive side facing upwards just the way I'm showing. Slide it in there all the way. Good. Now this button for the key release, see how it works? In case if yours falls out and if you're putting it back in, this is just to show you how it works when it's all properly working. Let's just get it in place. Make sure that hole aligns over there with the button. Get it in. Good. And now just press it together to secure it. And now let's put the physical key back in. And let's go outside and try it out. This is working fine. And so is the lock button. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.